Hi people, welcome to Shakes and Sprinkles YouTube channel. It's me, Declan, and
me, Letitia.
And we're going to show you how to make some jam croissants. So we start off with some puff pastry and jam. We chose an Asda because it's cheap. So first of all, A4 piece of paper, kind of size. You just slice an easy triangle to make 3 croissants, one big one. Put a bit of jam in the centre at the top of the triangle there. Roll down. Just keep rolling. Easy peasy. Turn it around at the bottom to make it look like a croissant. Next you put a little bit of butter on each of them just to make it a little crispy. Nice. And then you put it in the oven for 15 minutes on a baking tray. And it's not a proper croissant, but you know, it's 15 minutes, easy to make. Look at that jam. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.